Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch back to Google Assistant from Google Gemini on Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you go ahead and then press and hold the power button, then you should see Google Gemini pops. Now, if you want this to pop your Google Assistant, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, and then click on Google. Click on All Services, scroll down, click on Search Assistant and Voice. Now select Gemini. Scroll down Gemini until you get to Digital Assistant from Google. Click on it. So this allows you to choose between Google Gemini or Google Assistant. Now go ahead and select Google Assistant. Click on Switch and then go back. Now go ahead and press the side or power button on your Samsung, and then you should see this pop Google Assistant instead of Google Gemini. So that is exactly how to switch back to Google Assistant from Google Gemini on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.